Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you recently purchased a 2025 Buick Enclave and your power tailgate will not open when you push any of the buttons that are available to make that happen, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Now this has changed from what we've had in the past with other vehicles. You're not looking for any kind of a dial or anything like that. What you need to make this happen, to fix this little issue, is in the infotainment screen. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle, and then I'm going to scroll down here to comfort and convenience, and we're going to select that. And right up here, your second option, power rear gate opening. You can see that it's set to off right now. All you have to do is either go to custom, and you can determine where that opens and closes to that way, or you can go to maximum if you want to. But that is how you fix that little problem. I hope that was helpful to you. If it was, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.